Man, I told you guys this Panther platform on these cars are pretty much bulletproof. Well, that's not the case today. You guys want to join us on Tech Garage today as we find out why this Lincoln's ticking like a time bomb. Welcome to Tech Garage, presented by RockAuto.com. Man, am I eating some crow. I told you guys this Panther platform was bulletproof, and boy, not today. This thing is knocking, rattle, and pinging. I'm not even sure, but Dave, man, what'd you find?
Well, sounds like it's ready to take off, John. I was listening all around here and finally came up with...
Whoop. We got some email questions from last week. Let's not give it away. And a couple of them, we asked them to write in and see what it was. And we got some really good guesses. And if you want to send yours in, send it to feedback@techgarage.tv. We love hearing from you. Somebody said an engine knock. Good one?
Good guess.
Good guess. Thank God it's not.
Oh, no, it would have been a rod. And as old as this engine is, that means just a new engine altogether. That's expensive.
And it would have been humiliating because I tell them how great this engine is.
You'd have been very embarrassed, and you lost a lot of money on that deal.
Belt tensioner and pulley, good one. They tick and rattle all the time. Here's what I thought it was, Dave, and this guy was pretty good here. Chain slap or chain tensioner.
That could be someone that's watched the show before, because we had that a few seasons ago on Tech Garage. It sounded just like that, but I don't think that's what it was.
I don't think that's what it was either, Dave, but I guess you're going to have to reveal it at this point.
Well, Aaron, Eric, Becky, and Raj emailed us, and they were guessing the fan. And I think that's where it is as well.
I think the rattle was a dead giveaway.
You saw it shimmy a little bit?
Woo,
well, I suspected that, of course, but when I listened to it, that I think confirmed it, so we're going to take a look at that fan.
And I didn't under the hood, and also the AC was blowing warm, so I had my AC gauges ready, and you know, you had your stethoscope, so you're looking pretty cool like a doctor. But we always find it with the stethoscope, go around, isolate the area, great move. The coolant fan, it could be, you know, it seems to be fine, but I'll go over here and I'm going to unplug it and so it doesn't run, because these things can run at any time. Come over here and kind of, the bearings don't seem to be bad on there. It's not flopping around, so I don't know. We're gonna have to go a little deeper, Dave, to find out. And there's really nothing to this one.
I think I got the right size here. All right. Go. We'll take the fan out. I'm so glad that it wasn't something with a rod or something in the engine itself. That would have been a disaster. Yeah. It's something like the fan, John, actually easy to replace if it is in fact the fan. It's not that expensive.
No, it's not bad, and this is pretty cool. It's a whole modular one, and I got the power steering reservoir over here on my side. I'm hoping we can just tuck it out of the way, and that's the coolant reservoir right there. So we got a couple options. We can disconnect the hoses or just give it a little oomph there. That may be a good enough there.
Set aside?
I'm not sure if you can get to your bottom bolt down there. Can you? I'll hold it over for you. If you can't.
I can.
Okay, if you can, I'll leave it there for you. I got one down here on the side. We'll get that pulled out, and then we should be able to bring it on out of there. I already... Yeah, the clip for the lower radiator hose is already off, so we're fine there.
I know you've been bragging about this vehicle. What do you love about it, man?
Man, taxi cabs, cop cars. I mean, you know, 200,000 miles, 300,000 miles. You know, I drive old Project M&M, the Mercury Marquis. That's my favorite car in the whole world. So
I love just gliding down the road, and this is the perfect car for that.
I don't want to work on cars, Dave.
So I thought John would be a sports car guy when I started working on this show. I found out John just likes to cruise and take it nice and easy. Like,
come on, it's like the carpet installers. They got the worst carpet in town. Nobody wants to do that.
Attaboy, John. Work smarter, not harder.
Exactly. Oh, there we go. Mine's coming out.
Okay, we'll pull that end out first and see if I can get this out.
Let's see. Oh, this is gonna work. This is gonna work.
There we go.
Look at that. Come on, one more. You got yours and tip it that way.
There we go.
Let's see.
What do we got?
We got nothing.
Oh,
hold on. Oh,
there, yeah, look.
Bingo. You guys see that at home? I mean, what a racket. What a scary racket. But really, Dave, 4 bolts, a little stethoscope, rockauto.com. See what we find out.
John, by the sound of it, I thought this was something terminal, but I'm glad it's just the fan.
Yeah, me too. You know, we're on our way to fixing this Lincoln. But you know, Dave, we got some of the coolest demos on the planet, and we have a fan motor back there. So I'm gonna go dig it out, set it up, and you guys take a short break. We'll show you everything about a fan motor, how it works, when we come back with more Tech Garage presented by rockauto.com.